unboxing of the Ordo Sonnic electric toothbrush. Supposedly, it's here to revolutionize our oral and teeth healthcare. It has 4 brushing modes for your own personal preference, smart 2-minute timer, high quality rounded bristles for optimum performance, clean deep between teeth, 40,000 pulses per minute, and it's waterproof. Well, I certainly hope it's waterproof. It is a toothbrush and it will be getting wet. So let's open it up here. Trusty knife, single slit down the back, and let's see what comes with it. Toothbrush has been opened. Black bezel. I think in the top part of the box. And that's supposedly the handle of the toothbrush. A little bit of foam packaging. There we have the head of it. It does feel lightweight. I've had heavier electric toothbrushes and I've had lighter toothbrushes. Not too sure if you can see there, but it says clean, white, massage, and sensitive. Suppose they're the 4 different settings for your own personal preference. USB charger case. USB port. Nice little base there for it to sit comfortably on. Brush head and travel cap. Okay, so it's that box empty. Brush head and travel cap, like it says. Just slots on the air, and he says there. Perfect. Nicely slotted on. And the travel cap simply pulls off. Kind of like a rubber texture to the top of it. Those grooves look like they'll get in between the teeth nicely. The travel cap. I've always liked the caps, especially for your bathroom at home, where you leave it on the side. If you put a cap on it, there are some people that do not close the toilet lid when flushing. And when they do that, they send all of their urine or poo into the air, particles of it anyway, into the air, and they land on your toothbrush. The next time you use it, the next morning or in the evening, you are brushing your teeth with urine or poo. Very nice. So as well as that, it comes with A simple set of instructions. 30 seconds and it gives a vibration. So a vibration every 30 seconds for each quarter of your mouth. I will do another video on how it performs. It's got a little bit of troubleshooting and it comes in different languages. Overall, I think it's going to be quite a good toothbrush and I can't wait to use it. Thank you.